Since now the Masajid are opening, however, with limited numbers in terms of the capacity, can we do Taraweeh in congregation at home whilst the Masjid being open?
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Before I answer the question, and let me just clarify a very important issue. And that is, you have dated the classes that to be the 17th of Sha'aban, that's according to the calendar. We need to make sure that we understand that we have a difference amongst the Muslim world regarding the date of the Sha'aban. It could be the 17th and it could be the 16th of Sha'aban. So we are at the moment struggling to know how we're going to be in Ramadan. But it happened before, and actually it might give us maybe a glimpse what day is going to be Ramadan. So we know if it is today the 16th night of Sha'aban, definitely Monday will not be the Eid. Okay, Monday will not be the Eid. So it looks like it's going to be Tuesday according to the Islamic calendar, according to the calendar, because if it's going to be Monday the Eid, which is synchronized with the 12th of April, it means we're going to having 28 days.
You mean Monday Ramadan, not Eid, Sheikh?
Monday Ramadan, sorry, yes. Right, so the Monday starting with the Eid, talking about Ramadan, yeah. So the start of Ramadan is going to be, it cannot be Monday, because if it's Monday, that means it will be 28 days. I'm just saying that the possibility. So it cannot be Monday the Ramadan. And also it cannot be as well Wednesday, because according to the sighting of Saudi Arabia at the moment, the 30th of Sha'aban will be on Tuesday. Okay, and then Wednesday will be the 1st, but it will be 2 days after the calendar itself. So with a process of elimination, it cannot be Wednesday, it cannot be Monday. Most likely it will be on Tuesday. And I have predicted that so many times in the past as well, when we have this difference amongst the sighting and al-Qura, we could really define which day it is. I've been revising one of my episodes which I've done in Green Lane Masjid, and it is true that when you have difference like this, it might pinpoint which day is going to be Ramadan. Coming back to the question, it's a very good question basically. The Taraweeh is supposed to be in the Masjid behind the Imam. That's the origin. But for this pandemic that is taking on its toll at the moment on the people, and it's really taking a long time, unexpectedly. I mean, we thought last year will be okay for this year, and we hope that inshallah next year will not be the same. That means the distancing. But alhamdulillah, we do have our Masajid are open. In our country, in Jordan, already they have announced yesterday the lockdown is for a month and a half. That means there will be no Taraweeh in Ramadan, no opening of the Masjid even for Maghrib and Isha. Only Dhuhr and Asr, and no Jumu'ah, because of the cases are rising up. I wouldn't say that there is an issue for the person if he is worried about himself as well, worried about his family, that to make his own Taraweeh in his own Masjid. I have no hesitation to say that I can't prevent somebody to say to him it's not allowed because of the situation, especially that in his house, which is in his Masjid or inside his house, will be able to implement more sunnah than he does in the Masjid in terms of feet to feet, shoulder to shoulder. Okay, so but the atmosphere of the Masjid is different. The Masjid is a Masjid. But on the other side as well, we come to some of the Masajid. In my Masjid here, for example, in Maidenhead, I feel there is a mile between me and my brother. It's too far. There's 2 meters, and then the back row, there's nobody there. So it's another row. So full empty row behind me, and then they will start. So that means they don't make the triangle one. There's no triangle in that Masjid. I feel like I'm praying on my own. There's nobody there. I don't feel the Jama'ah, if you understand me. So no problem for the person, inshallah, to do his Taraweeh at home. Jazakallah khair. Naam.